let's talk about the plans that we offer here at Mighty. Now, first of all, if you want to learn more about the features that I'm going to refer to, take a look through this product tutorials library. Now, that said, let's go ahead and dive into the core plans that we offer here at Mighty. The first plan that we offer is the launch plan, which is priced at $79 per month. This plan is great for people that are just starting out, for people that have not yet launched their community and don't necessarily have a list of subscribers, a list of people that they're ready to bring in. This plan is great to get started, to reach out to those people, and to become a thriving community. Some of the key features that you can use in the launch plan is the community, the chat, and the events to bring your members together live and make sure they can collaborate and connect, which is the core goal of a Mighty network, that member connection and building those relationships. You can also create courses, which means that you can get flexible with this feature, creating habit trackers, bucket lists, challenges, and so much more. You can reward members as they go through your courses or challenges with our automations. Now, when you are ready to scale beyond making around $500 a month, the scale plan is there for you. This plan is also perfect for people that are migrating from another platform. If you already have an existing audience and you're ready to bring them into Mighty Networks, the scale plan is perfect for you. In fact, we actually offer migration services for people that use the scale plan. So we'll help you bring your content and your members over to Mighty to take the hard work out of your hands. Now, on the scale plan, you can utilize our APIs, as well as many more integrations, like our integration with Kit, which is a newsletter platform. You also can use multi-feature spaces. Now, a question that I get is, why isn't this available on the launch plan? The reason is the launch plan is for new hosts. And if you have ever attended one of our 4 Principles to Launch events, which I will also link below, you'll know that when you're first getting started, we highly recommend that you keep things simple and structured. You don't want members to get lost, especially when your community is brand new. That's why on the launch plan, we make sure you can keep it simple with just that one feature per space. Now, on the scale plan, when you're ready for more, you can turn on multiple features in each space. For example, maybe you want to turn on the replays and the events. Maybe you want to turn on chat and a course, and so on and so forth. So it's great when you want to add more programs. Now, when you're ready for more expertise from our team, more support, more hand-holding, more one-on-one help, the growth plan is there for you. Now, on the growth plan, you get our highest tier of advanced automations. You can promote things at the same time, whether you want to promote events, courses, payment upgrades, and so on. And you also get incredible growth expert sessions. I will add that if you upgrade to either the launch or the scale plan, you do get premium access to Mighty Host, which is our exclusive space specifically for hosts on this plan. So you can get to know other people that are growing and building and launching and scaling just like you. Now, we have also got our incredible Mighty Pro offer. Now, if you want to launch your own custom branded app and have our team do all the heavy lifting when it comes to building that app, Mighty Pro is a good fit for you. Go ahead and sign up for a call if you want to learn more. And regardless of what plan you choose, you can know that the Mighty team has your back. We are here to help you make incredible revenue, to make sure your members achieve incredible results and transformation, and you as a host are able to thrive here on Mighty.